All right, you guys, we're back with another video, and pretty much what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing these side marker lights right here. They're pretty much dead with these LED ones. As you can see, that's pretty much how they look, and basically all we're doing is we're just removing the front bumper, and it's fairly easy. All you got to do is that there's a bolt right there and another one on the other side. We're just working on getting this one out. As you can see right there, it's fairly easy to take it out. It's a very small bolt, but we're just gonna put that there. And obviously you have two bolts up here, and just take those out, and pretty much that unclips the whole bumper. You know, basically we don't have to take off the whole bumper. Basically, we just want to get access to back here. You see those little kind of rivet bolts basically that are kind of holding in the light. Yeah, basically we're gonna try to get those out and basically replace it with these in there. So we just gotta get some room there, and basically we're just gonna unclip this just like that. So it just gives us a little extra room, and let's see how it goes. So this is pretty much all you need. Obviously there's some bolts down there that are holding on to the bottom half of the bumper, but basically we just need just a little bit of room. As you can see there, we can obviously fit our hand in there and go in with a wrench and basically take right there off. I don't know why it's not focusing right there. Yeah, basically we're gonna take off those bolts, and basically this is fairly easy. You just twist it and it comes right out just like this. I'm gonna try to do it right here really quick. You just twist it like that, and like that, that bolt, the bulb comes out, and basically you just want to pull out this bulb right here and plug in the new ones. And I'm gonna try to take these out really quick, just two bolts there, and we'll be right back. We pretty much got some success right here. Basically this is the old one. Obviously, as you could see, it's like a reflector, but it has like a tint on it, and for me it just looked kind of cheesy. I didn't really like it, and I just wanted to go with the full-on blackout look. So let me just show you what that looks like. Basically get the wrap and peel this off, and as you can see, they come smoked. I'll leave a link down in the description where I got them. And you know, pretty much, you know, if they didn't work, at least they look a lot better, you know, blacked out compared to, you know, the smoked, you know, because they just wrapped it on the sides there. So you can see there, you know, it doesn't really, it just looks cheesy and unprofessional in my opinion. But we finally got the bolts out pretty much. It's these, they're not really, basically how you're gonna have to do this is, since these don't have like a thread, you're gonna have to basically like squeeze them and like actually create your own thread, if that makes any sense. Basically, you know, pushing down and twisting it to make your own thread, basically like what they did there. And you know, it's fairly easy. You just basically put the new ones in just like this, where the old ones went right there, and pretty much that's pretty much it. You just plug it in to where the light bulb went, like that. That's the old harness, and pretty much we're just gonna put them in just like that, and they should fit in good. I hope so. Or, you know, yep. Oh, gonna have to work something out, but yeah, pretty much it looks like that. So obviously it looks a lot better smoked, and pretty much it'll be like a white light, so it'll be like a daytime running light, because I'm later on gonna get the Morimoto headlights. Those are kind of expensive, but we got pretty much gonna change this whole Mustang to pretty much having LED lights. So that's gonna be next, and obviously these will look great as daytime running lights. So show you guys what they look like later, and we're just gonna basically now plug that into there and thread these on and basically put the bumper back on and show you guys what it looks like. All right, you guys, that is how it pretty much looks. Look at that, that looks clean with the LEDs there. Try to get the back ones, but something's going on with the back bumper right now. License plate light isn't working, neither is the side marker lights, so we're gonna try to get that fixed. But we do have the LEDs for the side markers, so obviously now we got the LED tail lights soon, and obviously the LED license plate lights, but those don't work right now. Same thing with the LEDs there, LEDs inside, and obviously there. And next thing will be is obviously the headlights, and we're gonna get some LED halos for these fog light deletes right here, just so it stays functional but still has some LED lights, just some extra looks for you guys, and get some extra B-roll outside when it's actually nice. But that's pretty much how it looks. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.